Hey, what's going on, guys? Gonna try to make a little video here for you guys. I've been promised both of you, Kevin and Chi, a video for the last whole week, and I finally got the chance to do it right now. So let's go. Uh, this is a chart over here of Bitcoin, okay, and each bar here it represents a week. And why I wanted to start that way is just so you can have a view of a long term view, okay? And this is a peak that Bitcoin had in 2017, okay? And since 2017 until middle of 2020 over here, Bitcoin has just going down, okay? And it was really when Bitcoin went over this white line over here. Okay, this was the most important trend line of Bitcoin at that moment. From this top, see that the price had a resistance over here. It couldn't go over this line. Over here again, it tried to go over. It could not. This was the pandemic phase. Okay, Bitcoin really dropped over here, 60 something percent, and after we came back from that drop, we tested that same line again, and it was finally when we went over this line, this is when we started the bull run. Okay, so we're in a cycle now. We're in a bull run. Price tends to go up from this point over here about 20-30x. Okay, we're so early still. Okay, we just went 500%. That was our top in 65,000. Okay, so I just want to show you guys that after we went over this 20,000 over here, which was from 2017, over here we went over, okay, and after we went over, we pushed it to 65, okay, but on that way we kind of stopped for 2 months over here around 30,000, okay, and when we made that high in 65, okay, we had a little correction, okay. This is a healthy correction, okay. We went up 580%, okay, and after that we needed a correction. Okay, the market needs a correction sometimes, so new players will come in and step in and find that more attractive. And what happened is that when that correction came, we came to test the same place where the market had a price memories over here around 30,000. Okay, so we came down, we tested these levels over here. This was many weeks testing that level. Okay, we're here for maybe 2 months, 2 months and a half, and you see that the price was very congested over here, and I put it this pink line over here, which is kind of forming a triangle over here. Okay, and see the price had it was really hard for the price to move up. Okay, and it was also on this blue line over here. That's where people were strongly buying. Okay, this was a lot of buyers over here. They wouldn't let the price drop more than here, because over here on this area over here they already find it very attractive. Okay, very attractive. So I'm gonna change this chart now, and I'm gonna start showing that each bar will represent a day. Okay, so you guys, we're gonna focus more on this area over here, and we're gonna see what's going on over there. Alright, so I had it over here, that big drop. Okay, you see that this was one day over here. We had this day started at 43,000, and this day went all the way down to 30,000. That was a big drop. Okay, and for a while price kind of consolidated between the maximum of this candle and the minimum of that. Okay, so you see that on these daily candles over here, it's very easy for you to see that price was inside of this triangle over here. Okay, and we broke out of it. Okay, we did broke out of it 2 weeks ago. Price finally went over this. Okay, and this is the first sign that our bull market is coming back. Okay, this is the first sign that the buyers over here was the same buyers over here, and they had accumulated enough over here, so they will let the market go up now. Okay, we start moving up. Okay, the last 2 weeks we moved up a little bit, and you see that when we did that big drop, right on the next day, price came back right over here. Okay, then we went back again down, we consolidated over here, and then we move up, and price stopped right here again. Okay, so we had this line over here, which was a big memory of price. Okay, so it was expected that when the market went up again, that area would be protected by the short people. Okay, so there was a lot of people shorting the market over here. It was expected. Okay, there was a lot of people that was also buying over here, and they had to sell a little bit over here just to make some profit. Okay, so we got to a place over here that was expected to be some sellers. Okay, and during the last whole week we did find some sellers over here. Okay, we brought the price down a little bit, and yesterday the market understood that that correction was mature enough to finish. Okay, and we had a big green candle. Okay, I thought that the market was actually going to come to this area over here because we had a big memory over here that it was a top, then it was a top, then it was a top again, and we went over this very strong. I thought we would do a pullback right to this area, but the earliest we stop to get to this area, that means that the strongest the market is. Okay, there is buyers appearing over here already instead of over here. Okay, that's what it means. So the buyers are very strong at the moment. Okay, what I see for the future, this is what I see. I think this is the most important trend line that I have it on my chart. This trend line over here. Okay, this top over here. I think the market will test this area still. Okay, and I think a big confirmation that we are back in the bull run will be when we tested this line and we break this line up. Okay, I think we have a big chance of breaking this line up, coming back just to test this line and then move upwards. Okay, Bitcoin's been very strong these last 3 weeks. I think that could happen really quick. Look what happened today. Price closed it over here yesterday. We went all the way down here. Okay, and people pushed the price back up over here already in the last 2 hours. So that shows a lot of strength. Okay, the market has been very strong. Yes, so this is where I'm looking right now. This is how I see it. This what happened in the last 2 months. I want to show you guys something. Okay, so we're like I told you guys before, I see the market, I see Bitcoins in cycles. Okay, and Bitcoin is going for his third big cycle right now, and this charts over here, it shows it talks about these cycles, right? So what does it mean? It means that the purple line over here, that was the first cycle. Okay, so right here in the beginning of the chart, on the corner, we have the halving. Okay, I'm not sure if Chi knows what halving is, but I know that Kevin pretty much he definitely knows about this. So after the halving, that's when the supply of Bitcoin gets a supply shock. And that's when the price tends to start a cycle. Okay, and we have these full cycles that we go up and then we correct for a little bit, and the next halving comes and then we go up again. So this purple line is the first cycle. Okay, this line over here, I'm not sure what color it is. This is, I think it's the green one. This is the second cycle. Okay, the yellow line is the middle, the range between both cycles. Okay, it's like a medium value of both of these cycles. And this line over here, that's where we are right now. So we started over here, we went all the way up here to 65, and then we came back down. Okay, and now we start going up again. You see that every cycle over here, we have a blow off top. This is the blow off top. This is when price really goes parabolic. Okay, and you see that that's about to happen. Okay, every cycle, like this first one, we have this middle cycle shakedown. It's this part over here, and then after that we do the blow off. The second cycle over here, this one over here, we had this middle cycle over here, shakedown. See, we came down back over here, and then boom, we had the blow off at top. And right now, we had a big run. We went all the way down here, and then it is expected that we'll have this blow off top as well. Okay, I want to show you guys this. Let me show you something else before. This chart here is really cool, and it shows a nice thing. It's just comparing the last cycle to this cycle, and what we see is that so this is the 2017 bull run over here. Okay, where the mouse is right now, and you see that we had the top of the market for 3 years ago, 3 years previous that over here, and when we went over that, okay, you see this area over here, that's when we went over the top. Okay, after 3 years we went over, and then we did a big correction. Okay, this correction is where we are right now over here. Okay, so over here, this last year we went over the 20,000. Okay, and then we do a first move up, and then we correct. Okay, after we correct, that's the middle cycle. Okay, we're in the middle of the cycle. After this correction, we do the blow off top. Okay, so we just corrected. We just did the same thing that we did last time. Okay, and we're ready now. I see the market ready to move up. I have another chart over here. This is see this red lines over here. This is when the halving happens. Okay, so you see that when it happened over here, we had a massive run up. When it happened over here, we had a massive run up too, and it happened over here, we went up. That's not a massive run up yet. We will be over here, and that should be around $300,000. Okay, and you see that each cycle we have 5 waves: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the top. And right now we just did the 4th wave, which was going down, and we were expected to do the 5th wave right now. Okay, guys, this is a little bit of what I think. I'm trying to record this on a program here that I have, and I only have 15 minutes. We're at 14 minutes and 30 seconds right now. Ask me any questions you guys have. I'm definitely going to send you guys more stuff. It's just didn't have a chance to do this before. I want to show you guys a little bit of other coins that I'm working on, and some Ethereum, and what's the relation between Ethereum and Bitcoin. Okay, talk to you guys soon. Thank you. Please ask me any questions that you guys have. Okay, take it easy.